does the world start to change? It's wherever better ways of doing things are found. We look for those places because we want to use our time and talent to do the most good. Improve the quality of life, all life, intelligently and sustainably. So we invent ways to do more, use less, and waste nothing. And we use our position where countless brands, consumers, and supply chains meet to make them work. We innovate to create new opportunities to earn our reputation as a force for good. It's why we've been a leader for over 80 years. And it's how we'll meet the big, bold goals that'll take our business even further. We're proud to be a place that challenges the world to change. We're proud to be a place where together we can change the world.
Regarding customer experience, how do we identify the gaps or any issues in our customer experience strategy? I think primarily what we do is having a regular interaction and the dialogue with our customers. We keep discussing with them, we visit them and take their feedback about our products and services. Then we have a regular market survey we normally collect from the customers, and then NPS and customer effort score also we collect. Then we take internal survey also for the purpose of having an understanding on the employee engagement, how our employees feel basically, like whether are they motivated, are they really engaged. Because we believe into our people, if the employees are highly engaged, highly motivated, definitely we will be at par on our customer experience strategy. So these are the things we keep on doing on our regular course. The important piece are the regular engagement with the customers and high employee engagement.
The signs are all around us. Our world is changing. We can see it in our air, glaciers and oceans, and in the impacts of climate change felt by our communities. Time is running out to stop the rising temperatures and tides. But nobody can battle climate change alone. We need to work together, and those of us with the biggest reach need to lead the way. Avery Dennison is embedded in industries and communities worldwide. We're in and on just about everything. This allows us to be a force for good and promote sustainability through our products and our actions. We've been committed to creating positive change for over 80 years, and we'll do everything we can to respect our environment and keep making it better for generations to come. Because we make a lot of things that can better your business. But the most important thing any of us will ever make is a better world.
So, with the implementation of our new strategy called Spike, I'm definitely sure that Avery Dennison will excel in its customer experience strategy. As I said, the customer experience is the most important piece right now, from the keeping the customer happy and delighted, and experience a different new level of services. With this, I would say that Avery Dennison believes into its people and its customers. So keeping customer highly engaged and keeping their people highly motivated, that's the most important thing about having the right customer experience in place.
Values are the guiding principles by which we live our lives.
They are what bring us together and what unite us in a shared ambition.
At Avery Dennison, our business has evolved to meet the shifting, dynamic needs of our customers and the marketplace.
As our company adapts, so must our values to better inform our actions every day.
Because our values will be what define us and our culture over the long term.
We are driven by doing the right thing no matter what.
We are honest and transparent and always put ethics first.
We are big, ambitious thinkers who remain brave in the face of adversity and the unknown.
We take risks, stand up for what is right, and recognize the opportunity in failure.
We set out to gain insight and be better.
We stretch our perspective and are motivated by our customers' success.
Diversity makes us stronger.
By encouraging inclusion, different viewpoints, and debate, we generate the best ideas.
We are committed to sustainability and being a force for good.
By making a positive impact on our business, planet, and communities.
We use our imagination and intellect to create new possibilities and challenge the status quo.
We are better when we work together and leverage our collective strength to win.
We expect the best from ourselves and each other.
We continually improve and deliver on our commitments.
One global team.
8 unifying values.
Making a meaningful difference.
We are Avery Dennison.
So regarding customer strategy, customer experience strategy, how do we identify the gaps is basically we do 3-4 things, like we regularly discuss with our customers, we have a regular dialogue, regular engagement with customers, we take their feedback about our services and products, and once or twice a year we collect the NPS and customer effort score, which gives us a clear view of where do we stand in terms of customer expectations, what customers are looking for. That gives us a good opportunity to improve upon and look back on our strategies, what we had decided, whether it is going in the right direction or not. The second piece is discussing about the employee engagement. Our main strategy is our people. We focus a lot on that. So we do some internal NPS and CES score between the cross-functional team to see whether is that making a sense, or are we in the right direction? How our people are engaged, are they really motivated or not? So that is one of our main focus area, because we believe if the people are highly engaged and motivated, definitely our customer experience strategy will work. So importantly, to have a regular dialogue with the customers and keep them engaged with our business, and then keep our employees highly engaged and motivated. That's the way we look for the gaps in our customer experience strategy.
For over 8 decades, we have been driven to create a better way. Ideas that began as a single spark are now products and solutions used worldwide. Our passion for innovation and our ability to apply material science has taken Avery Dennison from a company once defined by labels to one that defies being labeled at all. From the assembly line to the retail shelf, our solutions bridge the physical and digital worlds, making an impact on virtually every industry imaginable. Today we are unleashing the potential of our employees worldwide, challenging them to think boldly and sustainably. We are using our boundless imagination to invent materials that do more and use less. It is this endless courage and determination, this spark, that is at the heart of everything we do. A spirit of innovation, the drive to serve as a force for good. This is what makes us Avery Dennison.
So the proactive strategy. Recently we have conducted a lot of internal surveys where we had collected the voice of all the functions, we had collected the voice of customers. So few elements we have found to improve on or to take it to the next level. So we had created a strategy called SPIKE. So SPIKE is SPIQE, speed, problem solving, innovation, quality and empathy. So we are working on this strategy to develop that mindset and culture among all the people dealing in the organization, whatever level it is. The people are aligned to this strategy. So each and every word in this strategy carrying a different meaning, which is imbibed in our culture. So every function has to work on speed, they have to look for the problem solving, they have to come up with innovation ideas, new innovative ideas or new innovative products, any innovative strategy, and then they have to look for quality in each everything they do or on the products, and then empathy. So whatever we do, we are there for the customer, we are listening to them, we are listening to each other, and that's the way we are trying to build more better brand experience for the customers.